And good morning, folks. We have a morning coffee or drink or whatever. I needed that. Okay, first thing off, we're going to talk about a few things if I remember where I put them all. Oh, there it is. I got notes a lot, always. Like Rob Painless says, always have a notebook. I've been doing this since 1982 and longer. Okay, right now we're going to do number one, the long winter. Do not confuse with these two because we're going to do separate videos on these. Okay, the long winter. It's bad, but it's not that bad. Wait until next year, then it's bad, and I'll explain that. The long winter. Write that down on your notebook or notepad. The long winter. Now, if you can't read that on cursive, you need to go back to school. Uncle Alan's hand's shaky, and I had 2 strokes. So suck it up. Okay, that's from 2021 to 2022. Okay? Now a lot of people are like, I don't understand, Uncle Al. Is it a long, dark, hard, boneheaded winter? No, that's semantics, and you're a knucklehead. Okay? A lot of media stations are going at it. Mass media, social media, everybody's mashing all these terms together and they have no idea what they mean. Long winter, this part, is basically starvation and economic warfare. Get that through your head. Write this down. Take your pen, write it down. Starvation and economic warfare. That means job loss, homelessness. You're in your car for the next 3 months, wondering to keep warm and trying to sleep in the front seat while not freezing to death or die from carbon monoxide poisoning. Okay? You're in your Oldsmobile with a tarp over it, and you're hoping the homeless people don't come in, smash the window, and kill you. Okay? Understand this. All right? This is the long winter. This is the beginning of really bad stuff. And if you haven't bought your supplies, like I told you, by September the 1st, you're screwed. Some areas, they're not shipping out to restaurant supply shops. So you don't see food at the convenience store or at the fast food place because they don't have any food. So they have to shut down and release their workers. Okay? Economic warfare. Cisco is laying off people. Okay? Because they don't have the supplies to take care of it. The big rumor on Southwestern is they have to shut down because 2,000 flights, they don't have in-service service. They can't use the toilets. There's no food. There's no drinks. Pilot might have to go on strike because it's like, what the hell? They can't get the simple needs. The supply chain is not like this, but it's like this. And further you get it, until you can't see it out, you can't see it. I'm glad I can't stretch that hard. Ugh. If you can't see the 2 points and you're in the middle, you're screwed. And I hear all these other prepping channels, prep until you can't stop. No, that's panic buying. You should remain calm and collective and understand what's going on. Where did I put that sign at? Nothing is normal anymore. Okay, take a look at that. Because Uncle Alan prints out these signs and I put them all over the place because Uncle Alan gets tired. People are damn stupid. Okay? Keep calm. Yeah, hope you can see that. Keep calm. Carry on. Don't panic. And a lot of these prepper channels wants drama, so they scream and yell, everybody panic. Okay, buy this weapon, buy this magic filter. has a hose. I can reach out to the water. It failed because you don't understand old school stuff. But isn't that heavy? A canvas bucket and a rope? No. I gotta do that video for secret stuff. Never have asthma. Okay, I'll be doing another video for secret stuff explaining two things. How to get water if you can't get to the filter. I'll just sit by the bank of the, whoa, the bank of the river is 3 or 4 feet down. And the hose don't go that far. And I have to do that video. And also why he had so much difficulties going through hiking with 50 pounds of stuff. And I'll explain that later too in another video. I got all these videos I gotta do, and I'm going on sick and tired now. I gotta quit. Okay? I'm not in the best of health, folks. I've been stomped by a Holstein bull, hit by a truck, my girlfriend's, and then all other things, and 2 strokes. I should be in a wheelchair. I wish they stopped sending me the damn wheelchair. Now they're sending me because I coughed too much on YouTube, they're sending me the oxygen little containers. You know, you get concentrated air. Now I have beef with that too. Okay, folks, I'm going to let you go. Remember, this is the long winter. Okay? Not the dark winter, not the hard winter. I'll explain those two. This is mainly for the hard winter is starvation and economic warfare. You're going to be homeless. So put that into your little noggins and remember that. And I'll catch you later. See you later, folks.